So there is the night sky shining onto my ceiling. Just look how accurate they are. So I would like to project the star chart onto my ceiling. There you see Orion's Belt, Rigel, Betelgeuse, etc. Sirius. So I'm going to take the star chart and I'm going to put it into this pie dish. Hold it very much firmly in place. Then I'm going to take a nail and a slightly bigger nail, and I may take just a pin or a needle for the very faintest stars, and I'm going to prick wherever the stars are. I'm going to prick a hole in this pie dish. So here you can see the pie dish with all the holes pricked in it where the stars are. So I have this bucket here, and in the center I've just glued a little tube of black. It has to be a black bucket. Glued a little tube. I'm going to put this torch. This torch has got a little lens. It's rechargeable and you can switch it on, and the torch is going to shine upwards like that. So there is the pie dish, the light shining through it. Now just have a look at the ceiling, how you can see Orion's Belt there and Sirius there. You can see the whole night sky on the ceiling fairly clearly. You can even see look, going to try and focus on the head of Taurus the bull. And on Orion's Belt, Rigel, Betelgeuse. There's Orion's Belt. There's even the slight handle of the coffee pot, as they call it. And Sirius, right over here, Procyon.